This time on building terminology, the top plate. The top plate is a timber plate which is placed across the top ends of the studs to carry the ceiling joist and support the rafters. It can also support the floor joists for a second story. Commonly, the top plate can be doubled up with a ribbon plate to carry trusses and to allow for heavier loads and non-uniform loading of the top plate. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.